morning, my dears. So welcome back to our video class. So yesterday we learned our fourth chapter, our union territory. Okay, I think all of you understand the topic, and I will give you the notes of that chapter. Our union territories, about union territories and the capitals like that. So I will give you the notes, and you have to write the notes clearly without making any mistake in your fair GK copy. Okay. So today let's start our new chapter, that is the fifth chapter. The name of the fifth chapter is Indian Armed Force. What's the name of the chapter? Indian Armed Forces. What is mean by Indian Armed Forces? आपको जानता है इंडियन आर्म्ड फोर्सेस माने क्या है? Listen to the definition of Indian Armed Forces. What does Indian Armed Forces means? The Indian Armed Forces are the military forces of the Republic of India. It consists of three professional uniformed services: the Indian Army, Indian Navy and Indian Air Force. The Indian Armed Forces are under the management of the Ministry of Defence, that is MOD, of the Government of India. Okay, so here Indian Armed Forces means it is a military forces. Indian Armed Force माने क्या है? वह military forces है of the Republic of India, and it is the military forces of Republic of our India. It consists of three professional uniformed services, and here in this Indian Armed Force there are three professional services. Three professional and uniformed services are there in this Indian Armed Force, and they are the Indian Army, were a Indian Army, Indian Navy, Indian Air Force. Okay, so Indian Army, Indian Navy and Indian Air Force. There's three uniformed services combined together to form our Indian Armed Forces. The Indian Armed Forces are under the management of Ministry of Defence, and this Indian Armed Force, that is Indian Army, Indian Navy and Indian Air Force, these three armed forces, they were under the control of the management of Ministry of Defence, MOD, that is Defence Ministry. Okay, so Indian Armed Forces means it is the military forces, and it consists of three main services. The first one is Indian Army, the second one is Indian Navy and the third one is Indian Air Force. And this three armed forces are under the control of MOD, that is Ministry of Defence. Okay, did you understand? So let's move to the chapter, our fifth chapter, Indian Armed Forces. So listen, Indian Armed Forces are the third largest defense forces in the world after China and United States. Okay, so our Indian Armed Forces, our army forces or our armed forces are the third largest defense forces, and our Indian forces is the third largest forces, defense forces in the world after China and United States. That means the first largest defense forces is China's, and the second one is United States, and the third largest defense force in the world is Indian Armed Forces. Okay, so Indian Armed Forces is the third largest defense force in the world, and first is China and the second is United States. So listen, take up the following cues to learn more about them. So after reading this, find out the answers of this question. The first question, the three main organs of Indian Defence Forces. So we already learned about the three main organs of Indian Defence. What are they? The three main organs of Indian Defence Forces, dash and dash and dash. Yes, the first one is Indian Army, The second one is Indian Navy, and the third one is Indian Air Force. So write down there three main organs of Indian Defence Forces. The first answer, the first one is Indian Army. Write down neatly Indian Army, and the second one it is Indian Navy. Second one write down it is Indian Navy, and the third one it is Indian Air Force, and the third defense force is Indian Air Force. Okay, fine. Then the second question, the rank of the heads of the above organs. So above three organs are given here. The first one is Indian Army, the second one is Indian Navy, and the third one is Indian Air Force. So the rank of the heads of the above organs. So in this above organ, there are some people, the head of that team, the head of that organs. So the rank of the head of the above given organ. The first one is Indian Army. And the Indian Army, the head of the Indian Army is known as, the rank is a general. What's the rank? It is a general. So the first one, write down the first answer, the first column, second question answer, first blank line, write down general. Okay, that is Indian Army is a head. It is called general. General, 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 and in bracket mention army. Okay, and the second one, Indian Navies. Indian Navy head is known as Admiral. It is known as Admiral. ADMIRAL, Admiral. So write down Admiral, and in bracket mention Navy, NAVY, Navy. Okay, so the next one, Indian Air Force, head of Indian Air Force, it is called Air Chief Marshal. What's the name? Air Chief Marshal. AIR, spelling AIR, Air, CHIEF, Chief, then Marshal, MARSHAL, Marshal. In bracket mention there Air Force. Okay, so once again listen to the first question. The three main organs of Indian defense. The three main organs of Indian defense is Indian Army. The first one is Indian Army, the second one is Indian Navy, and the third one is Indian Air Force. And here the second question, the rank of the head of the above organ. And the rank of the head of Indian Army is a general, and the rank of the head of Indian Navy, that is the head of Indian Navy, is Admiral, and the head of Indian Air Force, it is Air Chief Marshal. Okay, so the next question, name any three gallantry awards that are given to the defense personnel for their courage and service to the nation. Name any three gallantry awards. What is mean by gallantry awards? Did you know the meaning of gallantry awards? Gallantry awards means it is an award issued by the government of India to honor the acts of bravery and the sacrifice of the officers or personnel of the armed forces, other lawfully constituted forces and civilians. Okay, so gallantry awards is the award given by the government of India to honor the act of bravery and sacrifice of the officers. Okay, so here name three gallantry awards that are given to the defense personnel for their courage and service to the nation. So for their courage and their service to the nation, government given some gallantry awards. So mention any three gallantry awards here. And the first one, it is what is the first one? It is Paramavir Chakra. It is the highest civilian award. Paramavir Chakra, highest military award is a Paramavir Chakra. So first write down Paramavir Chakra. Third question, first blank write down Paramavir Chakra. PARAVIR then little space, leave little space, then after that CHAKRA, Paramavir Chakra. Okay. And the second one, it is Shaurya Chakra. Shaurya Chakra. Spelling SHAURYA. Shaurya Chakra. CHAKRA. Shaurya Chakra. And the next one is Mahavir Chakra. MAHAVIR. Mahavir Chakra. CHAKRA Chakra. So these are the three gallantry awards given to the defense personnel for their courage and service to the nation. This is the first one, Paramvir Chakra Award, and the next second one, it is the Shaurya Chakra Award, and the third one, Mahavir Chakra. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Name the indigenously built fighter aircraft of India. So, what is the name of the fighter aircraft of India? And the fighter aircraft of India is, what's the name? It is a Tejas. So, Tejas is the fighter aircraft of India. The spelling is TEJAS. So, write down the name there, TEJAS, Tejas. Look at the picture, and this is the picture of fighter aircraft of India, that is a Tejas. Okay, Tejas is the indigenously built fighter aircraft of India. Okay, so once again listen to the first question, that is A part. Indian Armed Force. Indian Armed Force. What is meant by Indian Armed Force? Indian Armed Force are the third largest defense force in the world, and the first is China and the second is United States. So Indian Armed Force is the third largest armed force in the world, and the three main organs are Indian Army. In Indian Armed Force there are three main organs, and the three main organs are Indian Army, the second one Indian Navy, and the third one is Indian Air Force. And the head of the organs, the head of Indian Army is General, and the head of Indian Navy is Admiral, and the head of Indian Air Force is Air Chief Marshal. Then the three gallantry awards, the main or the important gallantry awards given to the defense person for their courage and the service is Paramavir Chakra, Shaurya Chakra, and Mahavir Chakra. And the last question, the fighter aircraft of India. Name the fighter aircraft of India, and the name is Tejas. Tejas is the fighter aircraft of India. Okay, did you understand this 4 question? Okay, so I will give you the notes of this chapter. You have to write the notes in your fair copy without making mistakes. Then read the chapter, read the first portion, that is the A portion. Then by heart the questions. We will continue the B portion, the B section tomorrow. Till then, take care. Thank you.